Welcome again to Hanging with Hang. This is another cooking episode. We just do a different kind of fried rice, this one with pineapple. The ingredient we need is 3 eggs, green beans, green onions, cilantro, red pepper, and the main ingredient is pineapple. To go along with that, we need some chicken bouillon, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, some salt, and the last ingredient is sesame seed oil. This is important right here to have it. Now let's cut up the ingredient. I guess this one gonna be more vegetable than rice. Probably healthier that way. Now the carrots, all I do is like cut in half, and I half it again, and half it again, and I half it again, half the other half, do the same thing, and you kind of dice it up with that. Do I say? Okay. Now for pineapple, split right in the middle. You gotta have a sharp knife to do this. Right here. Only one half. So what I do is like a mango. Don't cut all the way through. This is how you dice it. This is what you do like mango. You do the same thing. Don't cut all the way through. Do it like that, and then see, it already turned into cube already. Okay. Take a spoon and scoop out this pineapple. Oh, easy here. Well, it should come out, see? That's it. I'll scoop out. Now it's time to cook. Heat the pans up, put some oil in. Let the pan heat up a little bit before you put anything in. Scramble the egg. Okay, now I would put the carrots in there. Put the green bean in there. Very colorful already. I just cooked some rice here, so put some rice in there. Couple scoop of rice. That's enough. I would turn down the heat to medium. You don't want to burn the rice. Now I would put the pineapple in. It's a lot of pineapple, it's good for you. This is the chicken bouillon. Ground pepper, add that. Soy sauce, add that. This is a black soy sauce. It's for sweetness. Really thick, you see how thick it is? Just add that. It's really sweet. It's good already. It smells really good. Now add the red pepper. Add the green onions. Now the last ingredient, this is very important, the sesame oil. Add a little bit of sesame oil, not too much. Okay, that looks good. I turn off the stove. Thing basically done. Now we're gonna plate it up with the pineapple, the shell right here that we scoop up the meat out there. I'm gonna plate it up. This is easy to make. It's not that hard. Put a little bit of cilantro on top. That's it. Yeah, this is the final product right here. Pineapple fried rice. If you like what you see, please subscribe and give us a thumb up. Thank you. Bye bye.